Shit might tell you ribbon, I live and I learn. And I just keep living, I give and I earn. Spitting the flames, now some bridges is burning. I'm stepping my lane, I look. You learn to start using my brain, and now I'm steady yearning. Money, money, we up. Scary obsession, but in love with progression. Just answer the question I asked in the session. I'm counting my blessings, stars in the sky, they don't. Talking to people, I learned not to trust. I start talking to God and he heard my confessions. Acting my peoples, looks are deceiving. Leading the charge, I won't stop till we even. All the way up, I like eating. God on my side, so that's why I'm not leaving. Got ears in the meetings, got feet on the floor, got my mind from the streets. Eyes on the prize, ain't no time for defeat. Rise up from failure, fill a chain, I got something to say. Yeah, I rinse and repeat. Eyes closing, that's when mine's open. Cause my all the way up. This one's for the fam. I pull up, they like who is that. They think they the I'm like, who we that? Pockets are soaring, got it back, no top on the foreign, no top on the foreign. Ow, all that rock was born before. Why y'all steady storming the clubs, I be grinding, I don't give a f*** about my trust limit. I look cocky and confident, God's opinion, I'm too busy winning. But thanks for the compliments, that's an accomplishment, looking astonished. Real good at finance and great in the bonus, feel good in my skin and I ain't taking time. They know that I'm on it, I want it, I get it. I'm just being honest, I'm just being honest. Just being honest. All the way up.